Hey there, folks, imagine this. What if I told you that two simple ingredients you probably have in your kitchen right now, olive oil and cloves, could transform your health, give your skin and hair a glow up, and leave you feeling energized in just a few weeks? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But trust me, this easy, natural remedy is a game changer, especially for those of us hitting our 50s, 60s, or beyond. Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Miller, a nutrition expert with over 15 years diving deep into natural health solutions. I've seen firsthand how small changes can make a big difference, and this olive oil and clove combo is one of the best-kept secrets out there. Preliminary studies from places like Harvard, along with centuries of traditional wisdom, show this mix can work wonders supporting your heart, boosting your energy, and even helping you sleep better. I'm so excited to share this with you today, but first, I'd love to get to know you. Drop a quick comment below and let me know where you're watching from. Maybe sunny California, bustling New York, or somewhere across the globe. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more simple, effective tips like this. Let's dive in and discover why this mix is your new go-to for feeling your best. All right, friends. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of why this olive oil and clove mixture is such a powerhouse. You're probably wondering, how can two everyday kitchen staples pack such a punch for my health? Well, it's all about the unique compounds in these ingredients and how they work together to support your body. Let me break it down for you in a way that's easy to grasp. First up, olive oil, specifically extra virgin olive oil, is like liquid gold for your health. It's loaded with monounsaturated fats, like oleic acid, which are heart-healthy and help keep your blood vessels flexible. It's also packed with polyphenols and vitamin E, both powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Think of olive oil as your body's personal bodyguard, shielding you from the wear and tear of aging. Now, let's talk cloves. These tiny buds are a hidden gem, bursting with a compound called eugenol. Eugenol is a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's like a silent warrior, tackling harmful bacteria, reducing swelling, and even calming your nervous system. When you combine eugenol with the healthy fats and antioxidants in olive oil, you get a synergistic effect, a 1-2 punch that boosts your immune system, supports hormone balance, and promotes overall wellness. Here's where it gets really exciting. Science backs this up. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that the combination of olive oil's polyphenols and cloves eugenol creates a unique biological reaction. This mix can improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and even help your body absorb good cholesterol, which is crucial for energy and vitality, especially as we age. Traditional practices, from Mediterranean diets to ancient herbal remedies, have long praised these ingredients for their ability to restore balance and keep you feeling your best. But let's be real, this isn't a magic potion. It's a natural, accessible remedy that works best with consistency and the right approach. A quick heads up, while this mixture is generally safe, if you have allergies, digestive issues, or are on medications, check with your doctor before diving in. We want to keep things safe and effective. So, stick with me as we explore the specific ways this olive oil and clove combo can transform your health. If you're excited to learn how it can help your heart, joints, or even your sleep, drop a quick comment below, maybe just a wow or can't wait, and let's keep this health journey going together. Ready for what's next? Let's roll. Hey everyone, welcome to the first big benefit of our olive oil and clove mixture, supporting your heart health and keeping your ticker strong. If you're over 50, you might have noticed those moments of feeling winded after climbing stairs. Or maybe you're worried about blood pressure creeping up or cholesterol levels throwing you curveballs. These are common concerns as we age. But the good news is this simple kitchen remedy can make a real difference in protecting your heart and improving circulation. Let's dive into how it works and why it's so powerful. Your heart is the engine of your body, and keeping it in top shape is crucial for staying active and feeling great. As we get older, things like high cholesterol, stiff blood vessels, or even stress can put extra strain on our cardiovascular system. That's where the olive oil and clove combo comes in like a superhero duo. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which acts like a natural cleaner for your arteries. It helps lower bad cholesterol, that's the LDL stuff that clogs things up, while boosting good cholesterol, or HDL, which keeps your blood flowing smoothly. Think of it like clearing out the gunk in your pipes so everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Now, cloves bring their own magic to the table. They're loaded with eugenol, a potent antioxidant that fights off free radicals, those pesky molecules that can damage your blood vessels over time. Eugenol also has a gentle way of relaxing and dilating your blood vessels, which can help stabilize blood pressure and reduce the risk of dangerous conditions like atherosclerosis or blood clots. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Cardiology highlighted how antioxidants like eugenol can improve vascular elasticity, making your arteries more flexible and less prone to blockages. Combine that with olive oil's heart-healthy fats, and you've got a recipe for better circulation and a stronger cardiovascular system. Here's a real-life example to paint the picture. My friend Tom, a 58-year-old teacher from Chicago, used to feel lightheaded when he stood up too fast, and his hands and feet were always cold, a sign of poor circulation. After incorporating this olive oil and clove mixture into his routine twice a week, he noticed a big change in just a month. He felt lighter, his heart rate seemed steadier, and those chilly hands and feet warmed up. He told me, "Sarah, I feel like I've got my energy back." Stories like Tom's show how small, consistent changes can add up. Now, a quick word of caution: this mixture is natural, but it's not a one-size-fits-all fix. Stick to the recommended dose, about a teaspoon or two a few times a week, to avoid overloading your system, especially if you've got a sensitive stomach or are on blood pressure meds. Always check with your doctor if you're managing heart conditions or taking medications, just to play it safe. So, if you're ready to give your heart some love, this olive oil and clove mix is an easy, affordable way to start. Want to join me on this journey to better heart health? Drop a 1 in the comments below to let me know you're in. And if you've ever dealt with palpitations or sluggish circulation, share a quick note. I'd love to hear your story. Stay tuned, because next up, we're diving into how this mixture can clear up respiratory issues and help you breathe easier. Let's keep rolling. All right, friends, let's talk about another amazing benefit of our olive oil and clove mixture, helping you breathe easier and soothing those pesky respiratory issues. If you're someone who struggles with a stubborn cough, a scratchy throat, or stuffy sinuses, especially during cold weather or allergy season, this natural remedy could be your new best friend. As we age, our immune system can take a hit, making us more prone to respiratory bugs. Let's see how this simple mix can help clear the airways and reduce inflammation. First off, extra virgin olive oil is a star player here. It contains a compound called oleocanthal, which works like a natural version of ibuprofen, calming irritated tissues in your throat and bronchial tubes. This can ease that raw, sore feeling you get with a cold or persistent cough. Meanwhile, cloves bring their A game with eugenol, a powerful antioxidant and antiseptic. Eugenol fights off bacteria and viruses that cause throat infections and reduces swelling in your respiratory passages. Together, they're like a soothing balm for your airways, helping you breathe freely and comfortably. Picture this: my neighbor, Linda, a 64-year-old retiree, used to wake up at night coughing from a lingering cold. She started gargling with a diluted olive oil and clove mix before bed, and within a week, she was sleeping through the night without a single cough. She told me, "Sarah, it's like my throat finally got a break." A 2018 study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology supports this, showing that eugenol in cloves can reduce airway inflammation and fight bacteria that cause respiratory issues. Here's how it works. Olive oil lubricates and soothes the throat lining, while cloves tackle the root cause by knocking out harmful microbes and calming inflammation. This combo is especially helpful for dry coughs, sinus headaches, or even mild bronchitis flare-ups. Plus, It's super easy to use at home, no fancy equipment needed. A quick note: while this mix is generally safe, don't overdo it. Stick to small amounts, like a teaspoon for gargling or sipping, a couple of times a week. If you have asthma or severe respiratory conditions, check with your doctor first to make sure it's right for you. Ready to breathe easier and say goodbye to that annoying cough? Drop a 2 in the comments to let me know you're excited about this benefit. If you've been battling respiratory issues, share a quick story. I'd love to hear from you. Stick around, because next, we're diving into how this mixture can help keep your blood sugar in check. Let's keep this health journey going. Hey folks, let's move on to another incredible benefit of our olive oil and clove mixture helping you keep your blood sugar in check. If you're over 50, you might be noticing those energy crashes after meals or worrying about pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes creeping up. These are super common as we age, often tied to diet or less active lifestyles. The good news: this simple kitchen remedy can support your metabolic health naturally. Let's break it down. Extra virgin olive oil is a powerhouse here. It's packed with polyphenols, antioxidants that slow down how fast your body absorbs glucose after meals, preventing those nasty blood sugar spikes. These compounds also improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use sugar more effectively. Cloves, on the other hand, bring eugenol and flavonoids to the party. These work to boost glucose transport into cells and nudge your pancreas to produce insulin naturally. Together, they're like a tag team, keeping your energy steady and your blood sugar balanced. Here's a real-world example. My patient, Mark, a 60-year-old truck driver from Texas, struggled with feeling sluggish after big meals. After adding a teaspoon of this olive oil and clove mix to his evening routine twice a week, he noticed his energy was more consistent, and his doctor was impressed with his improved blood sugar readings. A 2021 study in diabetes care backs this up, showing that olive oil's polyphenols can stabilize post-meal glucose levels, especially when paired with carbs. This mixture isn't just for those at risk of diabetes. It's great for anyone wanting to avoid that post-lunch slump. Using it a few times a week, especially before bed, can help maintain steady energy and reduce fatigue. Plus, it's as easy as adding a drizzle to your salad or sipping a small amount with warm water. A quick heads up: this is a supportive remedy, not a replacement for diabetes medication. If you're on meds or have a serious condition, talk to your doctor before trying this. Also, stick to small doses, about a teaspoon or 2, to avoid upsetting your stomach, especially if you're sensitive to oils. Ready to take control of your blood sugar the natural way? Drop a 3 in the comments to let me know you're in. If you've ever dealt with energy dips or blood sugar worries, share a quick note. I'd love to hear your story. Stay with me, because next, we're diving into how this mix can ease those achy joints and keep you moving freely. Let's keep this health journey rolling. Hey everyone, let's talk about a benefit that hits home for so many of us as we age: easing joint pain and getting those stiff muscles moving again. If you wake up with creaky knees, a sore lower back, or tight shoulders, you know how much those aches can slow you down. The olive oil and clove mixture is a natural, easy way to soothe those joints and boost flexibility, helping you feel more like yourself. Let's dive into why this works. Extra virgin olive oil is the star here, packed with oleocanthal, a compound that acts like a natural anti-inflammatory, similar to ibuprofen, but without the side effects. It helps calm irritated tissues in your joints, reducing that morning stiffness. Cloves bring their own power with eugenol and flavonoids, which not only fight inflammation, but also support bone health and slow cartilage wear down. A 2017 study in Arthritis Research and Therapy showed that oleocanthal can reduce joint inflammation, while eugenol helps improve bone density, making this combo a game changer for mobility. Here's a story to bring it to life. My friend Susan, a 67-year-old gardener from Oregon, used to struggle with knee pain that made it hard to tend her roses. She started massaging her knees with this olive oil and clove mix twice a week before bed. After a few weeks, she was back in her garden, moving with ease and no longer wincing. She said, "Sarah, it's like my knees got a second chance. This mixture works internally to nourish joints and externally as a warming massage oil to ease pain fast. You can apply it directly to sore spots like your knees, wrists, or lower back for quick relief. The oil penetrates deeply, and cloves add a gentle warming effect that soothes without the burn of over-the-counter creams. It's simple, affordable, and you can do it at home. A quick note, don't overdo it. Stick to a small amount, like a teaspoon for massage, a couple of times a week. If you have conditions like arthritis or are on anti-inflammatory meds, check with your doctor first to stay safe. This is a supportive remedy, not a cure-all, but it can make a big difference. Ready to move more freely and ditch those joint aches? Drop a 4 in the comments to let me know you're excited. If you've been dealing with stiff joints or pain, share a quick story. I'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned, because next, we're exploring how this mix can help you sleep better and feel calmer. Let's keep this health journey going strong. Hey folks, let's talk about something that can really change your day-to-day life, better sleep, and a calmer mind. If you're over 50, you might know the struggle tossing and turning at night, waking up groggy, or feeling stressed out by life's demands. These issues can drag you down, but our olive oil and clove mixture is here to help you relax, sleep deeper, and wake up refreshed. Let's dive into how this simple remedy can work wonders for your mental health and rest. As we age, our sleep patterns can get thrown off by stress, hormonal changes, or even a restless mind. That's where cloves step in with their secret weapon, eugenol. This compound has a natural calming effect on your nervous system, helping to ease anxiety and quiet those racing thoughts that keep you up at night. Meanwhile, extra virgin olive oil supports your body's circadian rhythm, the internal clock that tells you when to sleep and wake. Its healthy fats, like oleic acid, nourish your brain and promote a sense of calm, setting the stage for restful sleep. Here's a real-life example, my patient. Robert, a 62-year-old accountant from Florida, used to lie awake worrying about work. He started sipping a small teaspoon of this olive oil and clove mix with warm water about 30 minutes before bed. Within a week, he was falling asleep faster and waking up feeling sharper. He told me, "Sarah, I haven't felt this rested in years." A 2019 study in nutritional neuroscience supports this, showing that eugenol can reduce stress markers and improve sleep quality in older adults. This mixture is super easy to use. Just a small amount in the evening can help you unwind and drift off. It's like a warm hug for your nervous system, helping you feel lighter and more at ease. Plus, better sleep means a better mood, sharper focus, and more energy to tackle your day. A quick word of caution, stick to the recommended dose, about a teaspoon a couple of times a week, to avoid any tummy upset. If you're on medications for anxiety or sleep, check with your doctor to make sure this fits your routine. This is a natural boost, not a replacement for prescribed treatments. Ready to catch those Z's and feel calmer? Drop a 5 in the comments to let me know you're excited about better sleep if you've been struggling with restless nights or stress. Share a quick note. I'd love to hear from you. Stay with me, because next, we're exploring how this mix can give your skin and hair a healthy glow. Let's keep this health journey rolling. All right, friends, let's shift gears to a benefit that's all about looking and feeling your best, giving your skin and hair some serious TLC. As we hit our 50s and beyond, you might notice your skin getting dry, dull, or showing those pesky fine lines, or maybe your hair's thinning or losing its shine. It can dent your confidence, but our olive oil and clove mixture is like a natural spa treatment you can do at home to bring back that glow. Let's dive in. Extra virgin olive oil is a skin and hair superstar, packed with vitamins A, E, and K. These nutrients hydrate your skin, boost elasticity, and help repair damage, keeping it soft and smooth. It's like a moisture-packed hug for your face, cloves. Meanwhile, bring eugenol, a natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compound that fights acne-causing bacteria, reduces redness, and even helps fade dark spots. Together, they're a dream team for tackling aging skin and brittle hair. Here's a story to bring it home. My friend Maria, A 59-year-old nurse from California was frustrated with dry, flaky skin and thinning hair. She started using this olive oil and clove mix as a weekly face mask and scalp treatment. After a month, her skin was noticeably softer and her hair looked thicker and shinier. She said, "Sarah, I feel like I'm glowing again." A 2020 study in dermatology reports found that olive oil's antioxidants can improve skin hydration, while eugenol supports scalp health by boosting circulation. You can use this mix in so many ways. Apply it as a face mask for 1-2 hours, rinse with warm water, and feel that softness. For hair, massage it into your scalp, leave it overnight, and wash it out for stronger, less brittle strands. It's simple, affordable, and no harsh chemicals needed. A quick heads up, use a small amount like a tablespoon for skin or hair to avoid clogging pores or weighing down your hair. If you have sensitive skin or scalp conditions like eczema, test a small patch first and check with your doctor to be safe. This is a natural boost, not a cure for serious skin issues. Ready to pamper your skin and hair? Drop a 6 in the comments to let me know you're excited. If you've been dealing with dry skin or hair loss, share a quick story. I'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned, because next, we're diving into how to whip up this magic mixture the right way. Let's keep this health and beauty journey rolling. All right, folks, we've talked about the amazing benefits of this olive oil and clove mixture, from boosting your heart to pampering your skin. Now, let's get to the fun part, how to make this magic mix right in your kitchen. It's super simple, affordable, and you don't need any fancy tools. I'll walk you through 2 easy methods to prepare it, plus some tips to get the best results. Ready? Let's roll up our sleeves. Method 1. Warm infusion, perfect for quick use, especially before bed. Grab 5-6 dried clove buds and pop them into a cup of boiling water. Cover it and let it steep for about 20 minutes, like you're making a cozy herbal tea. Once it's cooled slightly, fish out the cloves and add 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Stir gently until it's well mixed. This warm infusion is great for sipping or gargling in the evening, about 30 minutes before bedtime. Use it 1-2 times a week to keep things balanced. Think of it as a soothing nightcap for your health. Method 2. Cold infusion, ideal for making a batch to use over time. Take 1 tablespoon of finely ground cloves and mix it with 100 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil in a clean glass jar. Give it a good stir, seal the jar, and store it in a cool, dark place for 48 hours to let the flavors and nutrients meld. After that, strain out the clove bits using a fine mesh or cheesecloth, and you've got a versatile infused oil. Use it as a salad dressing. Drizzle a few drops on cooked veggies, or apply it for massages. It's like having a health-boosting condiment ready to go. A few pro tips: always use extra virgin olive oil for the best quality and nutrient content. Make sure your cloves are fresh. Sniff them. They should have a strong, spicy aroma. And don't overdo it. Stick to small amounts, like a teaspoon or 2 at a time, to avoid any tummy troubles. If you're new to this, start with less and see how your body responds. Important note: if you're allergic to cloves, have a sensitive stomach, or are on medications, check with your doctor first to play it safe. This mix is all about consistency. Use it a couple of times a week to let those nutrients work their magic. Which method are you excited to try? Drop a warm or cold in the comments to let me know. If you've got questions about making it, share them below. I'm here to help. Stay tuned, because next, we'll cover how to use this mix for everything from headaches to hair care. Let's keep this health journey going strong, there. Friends, we've covered a ton of ground today, exploring how the simple combo of olive oil and cloves can transform your health from your heart to your hair. Now, let's wrap things up with the most practical part: how to use this mixture in creative, flexible ways to tackle everyday issues like headaches, bad breath, ear discomfort, and more. Plus, I'll tie it all together with some final thoughts to keep you inspired. Let's dive in and make this remedy a part of your routine. First up, let's talk about using this mix for those nagging headaches or that heavy feeling in your forehead. Whether it's stress or sinus pressure, this olive oil and clove blend can help. Take a small amount of your cold infused oil, about a teaspoon, and gently massage it onto your forehead and temples in circular motions. The eugenol in cloves has a calming effect, while the oil's soothing properties help relax tense muscles. Wrap a clean cotton towel around your head to keep it warm, and let it work its magic for 15-20 minutes before bed. Many folks, like my cousin Jane from Seattle, swear by this for easing tension headaches. She says it's like a mini spa session at home. Next, if you're dealing with mild ear irritation or itchiness common as we age due to dryness or minor infections, this mix can be a gentle fix. Use your cold infused oil and apply just 1-2 drops into the affected ear once a day. The antibacterial power of cloves eugenol helps clean out the ear canal, while olive oil soothes and moisturizes. A patient of mine, Tom, a 65-year-old retiree, used this for an itchy ear and noticed relief in just a few days. Important, don't use this if you have a serious ear infection or perforated eardrum. Check with your doctor first. For fresh breath and oral health, this mixture is a game changer, especially if you struggle with bad breath or gum sensitivity. Dilute 8 to 10 drops of the cold infused oil with a tablespoon of warm water and gargle for about 30 seconds each day. The cloves' antiseptic properties fight bacteria that cause bad breath, while olive oil soothes irritated gums. My friend Lisa, a 60-year-old teacher, started doing this and said her dentist was amazed at her fresher breath and healthier gums after a month. When it comes to skincare, this mix is like a natural beauty treatment. Mix a tablespoon of cold infused oil with a pinch of finely ground cloves to make a thick paste. Apply it to your face, neck, or hands. Leave it on for 1 to 2 hours. Then rinse with warm water. It's great for unclogging pores, reducing redness, and fading age spots. For hair, massage the infused oil into your scalp. Leave it overnight and wash it out in the morning. My neighbor, Karen, a 62-year-old librarian, uses this weekly and says her hair is less brittle and her scalp feels healthier than ever. Now, let's talk safety. This mixture is natural, but moderation is key. Stick to small amounts, a teaspoon or 2 for internal use, or a tablespoon for external applications, 2-3 times a week. Overdoing it can upset your stomach or irritate your skin, especially if you're sensitive. If you have allergies, chronic conditions, or are on medications like blood thinners, diabetes drugs, or anti-inflammatories, talk to your doctor before starting. This remedy is meant to support your health, not replace medical treatments. Let's recap the benefits we've covered. This olive oil and clove mixture can strengthen your heart, clear your airways, stabilize blood sugar, ease joint pain, improve sleep, and give your skin and hair a boost. It's backed by science like studies from Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry and Diabetes Care and centuries of traditional wisdom. The beauty of it, it's simple, affordable, and you can do it at home with ingredients you likely already have. The key is consistency. Use it a few times a week. Follow the prep methods we discussed, and give your body time to soak up the benefits. I want to share one last story to inspire you. My Uncle Mike, a 70-year-old veteran from Ohio, was skeptical at first. He had joint pain, poor sleep, and felt sluggish. After trying the warm infusion method twice a week for a month, he was amazed. He's moving better, sleeping like a rock, and even noticed his skin looking brighter. He told me, "Sarah, I wish I'd known about this years ago. That's the kind of change I want for you too, a natural, sustainable way to feel your best." So, what's next? Give this mixture a try and see how it works for you, whether it's for your heart, joints, or just feeling more energized. Start small and be consistent. I'd love to hear how it goes. Drop a comment with your favorite way to use it, or just attend to let me know you're excited to try it. If you've got questions or a health goal you're working toward, share it below. I'm here to support you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss more practical tips like these. Your health is worth it, and I'm thrilled to be on this journey with you. Thank you for sticking with me to the end. Here's to stronger hearts, better sleep, and glowing confidence. Wishing you health, peace, and energy every single day. See you in the next video. Golden Male Health.